Let's get started. Solution 1. Restore the advanced internet settings. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. In the top right corner, change View by the large icons. Click Internet Options. Open the Advanced tab. Click Restore Advanced Settings. Then click Apply and OK. Now check whether the Wi-Fi option has returned. Solution 2. Reset the network settings. Open the Start menu and type Settings. Open the Settings application. Select Network and Internet. Scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Then select Network Reset. Click Reset Now. Select Yes to confirm. Windows will remove and reinstall your network adapters and restore the network settings to their default configuration. Once the process is complete, restart your computer. After the restart, check if the Wi-Fi option is now available. Solution 3. If the problem continues, open the Start menu and type Services. Open the Services application. Scroll down and locate WLAN Auto-Config. Double-click the service. Change the startup type to Automatic. If the service is not running, click Start. Then click Apply and OK. If the service was already running, right-click WLAN Auto-Config and select Restart. You can also locate WWAN Auto-Config and repeat the same steps. Set its startup type to Automatic, start the service, and then restart it. Now check whether the Wi-Fi option has returned. Solution 4. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Then select Change Adapter Settings. Locate your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click it and select Disable. Wait a few seconds. Right-click the adapter again and select Enable. Close the window and check whether your Wi-Fi connection is now available. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Locate your wireless network adapter. Its name may include terms such as Wi-Fi, Wireless, Intel, Realtek, or MediaTek. Right-click the Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose a compatible wireless driver from the list. Click Next and wait for Windows to install it. Once the installation is complete, check whether the Wi-Fi option has returned. Solution 6. Inside Device Manager, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter again. Select Properties. Open the Power Management tab. Uncheck. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK. Restart your computer and test the Wi-Fi connection again. Solution 7. Restore the normal startup configuration. Open the Start menu and type Run. Open the Run application. Type msconfig, press Enter. Under the General tab, select Normal Startup. Next, open the Services tab. Click Disable All, then click Enable All. Click Apply and OK. Restart your computer to apply the changes. After the restart, check whether the Wi-Fi option is showing again. Solution 8. Perform a power reset. If the problem is still not fixed, completely shut down your laptop. Disconnect the charger and any connected USB devices. Press and hold the physical power button for approximately 30 seconds. Continue holding the button even though the screen is already off. This will help discharge any remaining electrical power from the device. After 30 seconds, release the power button. Reconnect the charger and turn the laptop back on. Once Windows starts, check whether the Wi-Fi option has returned. And that's all there is to it.